Hey everyone, just a quick video here on PCV valve replacement on the 2.4K series in a Honda Element. A lot of folks will have you remove this. Don't even bother. Your hose is down here right underneath the alternator, and it's the PCV valve is there, and you can see it's a little clip. So what I do is I'll go in underneath with a small pair of needle nose, rotate that clip, and then go in with a longer pair of needle nose with an angle, grab those, and then all you're left with is the PCV valve, which is a 17 millimeter. So you can go in and grab that and replace it. Just in case I don't know if anybody will benefit from it, but I figured it was worth sharing. It's easier to do it that way. I know it's only 2 extra 10 millimeters to take off this top cover, but totally unnecessary. Come in with a short pair of needle nose, angle pair, and then if you have to, use a flathead and just twist it where the hose connects to the PC valve to loosen it up. It'll pop right off. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.